Okay, so in this practical, we're going to do one-way ANOVA in SPSS. So here I have some data that has two variables. One is bone density, which is the amount of bone density in rats on different exercises, and in this one we have the exercises. If we look at the variable view, you'll notice that exercise is just a string. And what we need to do so SPSS can actually do the one-way ANOVA is we need to convert this into what we call a categorical variable. We need to let it know how to do that. So we're going to go data and find in here we should find an automatic recode. So we click on that. And what we're going to do is we're going to take exercise and we're going to give it a new name. So let's call it just exercise recode. Add the new name. So you can see it's put it up there. All ready to go, and we click OK. It goes away and does it. And it's basically set it. What it's doing is it's representing these levels of this categorical variable as numbers in the background. So now we should be able to do the analysis. So if you go back to the data, you can see I've got bone density, I've got exercise, and now I've got basic controllers represented by 1, low jump by 3, high jump by 2. So now we're going to go Analyse, Compare Means, One-Way ANOVA. Click on that. And now we can put bone density in the dependent list and exercise in the factor. We can also look for post hoc. We're going to do a bond for only. So if we find that there's a significant difference between these population means, we can then examine with multiple comparisons where there is, and we're going to use bond for only in this course. Continue. Also in options, it's worthwhile choosing some descriptive statistics, because at some point we're going to check our assumption of equal spread, and we will need the standard deviation for each group. Click continue, all ready to go, click OK. And here we have our descriptive statistics. Here's the standard deviations for each group. Remember, we find the largest one, 27, divided by the smallest one, 16. As long as that ratio is less than 2, that seems good. Here is our ANOVA table. Here is our F value. And remember, if there is no difference between the means, this should be about 1. 8 seems quite far away from 1, but how far? 0.002 at 5% level, we will be looking at rejecting. And now we have our multiple comparisons. We can look down here and look for any of these numbers that are less than 0.05. Okay, that should be enough for you to have a go one-way ANOVA in SPSS. Thank you very much.